Alright, welcome back to the Microsoft Word training. In this video, we are going to be talking about the header, the footer, and of course, getting page numbering for your Microsoft Word document. Now, let's go into the document. So, if you're trying to insert a header or footer into your Microsoft Word document, you go to the Insert tab, and on the far right side, you will see Header and Footer Group. So on the header and footer group, you can pick your header. So we have different types. You have types there. So you have the blank, where you just provide your header, or you have the 3 columns header. Of course, that provide columns for the left, right, and center alignment of your text. And then we have the banded. Then you can even use the facet. So if you use facet, for instance, you see what it will do. So to provide a header, but in the form of page numbering, as you can see. So you can easily provide your text there, and it has setting here where you can say show document text or not. Okay, then you have different odd and even pages for your header, so which means what will show on the head or the odd page will be different from what you have. So you can put your header, you can put your header text, and then of course it's displayed at that particular location. Okay, within this particular place. So you can see that text hiding there. Okay. So so let me just roll this back. Roll it back. So I can go to insert, put header. So you can see, look at this. If I click this, then I can put my document title. Okay, something like this. So what header means is that once you move out of it, at the top of every new page, you are going to have a header. So let me move to page 2. So look at page 2, you already have the header. So that part of your document that shows on all pages is the header. So instead of doing it manually, you can always put it within the margin space. So if you want to edit it, you can double click on the header, and then you see that. So if you click away from it, or double click away from it, you see that it's there. So insert header. So you have many other options. So it depends on what you're trying to achieve. Okay. Then you have headers from office.com, in which case you should be online, and then you can download from office.com. You can edit your header or remove header. Okay, so I use that to remove the header. So use this option to remove, and the header goes away. Okay, so I bring it back. Then footer. The information display at the bottom is the footer. So if you choose this, you can have 3 footer, for instance, in which case one is for a particular text, another is for another text, and the other one is for the third text. Okay, so you can choose which part of your document the footer should show. Maybe the one that should show in the odd pages should be different from the even pages. Okay, so you can easily seclude them. So you will put your information, but what you are putting here is different from what you put here. And across all the pages, it's going to be the same for odd pages and same for even pages. All right. So information display at the bottom is the footer. You can remove footer, you can edit footer and other things. The footer and the header. Then for page numbering is a way of okay, so let me move out of the footer. So page numbering is a way of applying page numbers to any location you want within your document. It can be center, it can be bottom. So you can say, okay, page numbering at this section of your page. That's page numbering. Okay. Or you want your page number to be at the bottom. So this is the bottom section. Um, Page margins, you want to use the page number for margin. Create a margin in terms of the accents that you apply to your document. Then you can also add page numbering to your current position, in which case is the position of the cursor. Okay, the current position. As you can see, that's the position of the cursor, and the numbering is attached there. Okay, so so it's quite interesting when you are creating a project and you want to have header or a book or something. You want to have a header for the book and you want to have a footer title, and then of course you also want to have page numbering. This exactly is the place where you apply these things in Microsoft Word. All right, so this is where we're going to stop. See you in another session, and bye for now.